Hey guys, it's Laashak here in a new video. Today we are going to check a phone that has been my daily driver for about a year now, and I got it pre-booked when it was released. Even before it was on the market, I got it. So it's an amazing phone. It's emotional to me, and it's really connected. So since this year, for the new year, I'm getting a new phone. So thought it would be fun reviewing my old phone. So this is the verdict about this phone right here, the OPPO Reno 2F, right? And this is the casing that was included with the phone, unless like other manufacturers, but like this was the casing included with the phone. Like I guess OnePlus does include cases. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it, and let's just remove it. So this is the casing itself. It's pretty good, and it has this smooth feel to it, and this nice looking OPPO design right here, the stitches, and yeah, it's really good. It has a cover for the charging port and for the mic up here. Since this phone has a pop-up camera, the cover just cuts out completely right here. This is the casing which was included in the box with the phone, so I didn't get a new casing. It was pretty good. After 1 year of rough use, I would say the casing just is kind of broken now. If I want to continue using the same phone, I would need a new case. Since I am a tech person and I change phones every single year, I won't need that. And if you guys really want this phone right here, it's kind of perfect condition. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna sell it. Alright, next. So here, I would say this is not a flagship phone, but it has a quad cam setup, 48 megapixel camera from Sony, and that's amazing. Alright, and we have no camera bump, and we have this right here. When you put it on the table, it doesn't wobble a lot, but when you put it on the table, it protects the camera so that it doesn't get scratched. Alright, and it does have in-display fingerprint, just blocking my phone number right there. Alright, it has in-display fingerprint, and the charging port down here is a Type-C. So I would say this would be a really good phone. I mean, a really good, not a flagship model, but like a competitor version. And yeah, that's kind of it. For the cameras, it also has a macro camera, which is down here, and the finish is really sexy. I mean, it's really nice and it's really gorgeous. Like, it glides in the hand and it's a premium feel, you know. Alright, and here in the back we have the design for Reno right here, like all the other Reno phones. So let's just get in the phone, and I would say everything is amazing. Like, in the phone, cameras are really good. You have a lot of modes. You have the Google Lens, taker mode. These are like the regular modes that are in other phones, but like, I would say the camera is the best preference in this phone. When I got it back then, it was one of the best cameras out there. And just letting you guys know that the tagline for this phone was always like, OPPO, the Reno phone. Alright, so since that was the tagline, yes, that was the tagline, so yeah. Alright, yeah guys, that's pretty much it for physically the device. I didn't seem to have any like graphics issues or anything like that, or any render problems or lag or anything like that. The phone was classy, amazing, nice to use, and I will also make another video about OPPO phones, which I'll link down below, because they are not they are not the phone brand that are that we get to talk a lot about. So I'm gonna put a final verdict or something like a review about OPPO phones, since I have used many in my reviews and in my career, well, yeah, throughout my life. So that's it for this video, guys, and this video exactly. So it has been more than 1 year since I have this phone right now, and yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.